this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Fortnite Euro remove from the match error. Now the first thing we want to try is we want to come here and search for apps and features. Then in here we want to find our Epic Games launcher, and then we want to try and uninstall this one. Now after we uninstall it, we want to try and install it on a different drive. Now that's the first method, and if this doesn't work, what you can try is you can go to Google and head to Epic Games and then create a new account and see if you can play Fortnite on that account. Because if you got banned for cheating, you'll not be able to do it on a new account. So we're just checking if you got banned for cheating or for what reason. Now if that doesn't work, what we can do is we can come here and search for registry editor. And once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to find HKey current user, software, Epic Games, Unreal Engine, and find identifiers. What you want to do is you want to right click on this one and delete this one. Now this is just your account ID and stuff. So when you delete this one and you log into your account, it's going to reset itself, so don't worry. Now the last thing we can try is we can come down here and search for network reset. Now come in here and try and reset the network and your PC will restart, and then see if it works. Now obviously if you actually did cheat and you got banned for this, you're not going to be able to fix it. But if it's because of an error, then you might be able to fix it. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.